Hello, I'm Dr. Lewis Hickman. I am an assistant professor of industrial organizational psychology at Virginia Tech and a visiting academic at Amazon. This January, I'll be teaching predictive modeling and machine learning in R with Karma for the second time. This is going to be a very hands-on course. We're going to cover both supervised and unsupervised machine learning, or prediction and clustering. Talk about why modern prediction methods might be useful to you, and also when they should be considered for use in your research and practice. We'll cover many different types of algorithms, starting with regression, which is the most commonly used machine learning algorithm out in the real world, as well as penalized regression, including ridge, lasso, and a hybrid of the two known as elastic net. We'll also talk about random forest and neural networks. We'll cover many of the technical aspects involved in developing machine learning models, from conducting hyperparameter tuning to doing proper cross-validation to ensure that there is no leakage between your training and your test data. We'll talk about how to evaluate machine learning models and dig into exactly what's driving the prediction in these models and which variables are most important. We'll talk about how to evaluate these models, and in particular, we'll talk about elements of validity that go beyond how accurately your model was able to replicate the ground truth it was trained to predict. We'll cover approaches for both categorical and continuous outcomes. We'll touch on natural language processing when it's relevant. And we'll also dive into some of the more advanced aspects of machine learning, including ensembling, or when you combine the predictions from multiple machine learning models. And all throughout the course, we'll be practicing in R on code that is ready-made and made available to you for your future use. We'll take that R code, we'll apply it to example data sets, and then we'll also, in the final day of the course, discuss some tips and tricks for conducting research with and publishing with machine learning. I'm really looking forward to teaching the course again this January. It's going to be a great opportunity to get together, learn a lot from each other, and equip you with skills that will increase in value over time, whether you go into academia or industry, as we continue to see more and more applications of machine learning out in the world.